thinking about upgrading your wardrobe with pieces from Reaven.co, the official website of the self-proclaimed Italian streetwear brand Reaven. Before you place that order, stop and watch this full review because what we found might just save you time, money, and frustration. At first glance, Reaven Clothing looks like a premium, fashion-forward brand that's been in the industry for over 5 years, boasting modern streetwear with a bold aesthetic. But when we looked beyond the flashy graphics and sleek product photos, things started to feel a bit off. One of the first things that raised concern was the absence of proper customer support. There's no listed phone number, no live chat, and the only point of contact is a generic email address. For a brand claiming to have a long-standing presence in fashion, this lack of accessibility is unusual and worrying. Even more concerning is the near-complete lack of third-party reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, Cityjabber, or even Reddit platforms where real buyers usually share their experiences. That silence speaks volumes in today's world of online shopping, where transparency and social proof are key. We also noticed their website doesn't offer in-depth information about shipping timelines, return policies, or even company background, just a handful of vague claims. This doesn't necessarily prove they're a scam, but it doesn't inspire confidence either. If you're still curious about their products, the smartest move is to test the waters with a small order and use secure payment methods like PayPal. In a sea of online fashion stores, some new and some shady, Reaven sits somewhere in the middle, not confirmed as a scam but not fully trusted either. This review gives you the full picture so you can decide for yourself whether it's worth the risk or better to skip it and shop elsewhere.